Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and you're welcome back to another video. Yeah, happy Sunday. So if you're new here, please go nowhere. Kindly use your subscribe button, like, share this video. To all my returning OGs, yeah, you guys are the real deal. Say that for me. I am the real deal. You guys are the real deal. Okay, so guys, I'll be showing you guys what I have in my bag, mom edition. Yeah, so guys, you guys will be hearing some little kind of noises because firstly my door is open because I need the light, and I have here my sweet baby boy here to disturb me. So if you guys don't mind, let's do our thing. Go nowhere. Hello, you're welcome back to Moments with B. Please go nowhere. Kindly like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Mwah. So guys, please, I need you all to please kindly subscribe to this amazing channel. So I do shout out for my subscribers before I start any video. So if you're interested in the next shout out, let me know. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you like, and make sure you drop a comment. Yeah, so please guys, go show them some love. Thank you. Welcome back guys. So I have my bag here. This is like my go-to bag. Yeah, one of my go-to bags actually, because as you can see, it doesn't even fit what I'm wearing because I'm just coming back from church and I've not taken anything out from this bag yet. So guys, let's open it and check out what I have. I'm not supposed to look inside, right? Okay, let's do this. Ta-da! Okay, firstly, okay, I have here my wallet. Of course, wallet is a necessity. And I have my notepad here. So this notepad, it was actually one of these birthdays, kids' birthdays I went to with my son, and they gave this to him. It has really been really helpful because since I move around with small portable bags, this actually goes in, and especially I use this for church, and this biro came with it. It's really cute. I love it. Okay, sorry my love, let me help you. See your biscuits. Yeah, sorry baby. Okay guys, like I said, I have my assistant here and he's here to scatter everything. Yeah, my mom, what do you expect? Oh, I'm not supposed to look. Okay. Yeah, so I always have this in my bag as a mom. Yeah, because anything can happen. Maybe you might have headache, you might be grumpy, this is to go medication you have to always go with wherever you're going to as a mom. So I always have this in my bag. So I'll keep this here before he scatters everything. And the next one is, oh, thermometer. Yeah, to check his temperature, because sometimes I'm not even sure if I touch him it's running. I don't know whether it's warm or something, so I usually use this to check his actual temperature. And what next? Diaper. Of course, now of course you have to take extra just in case of anything, especially when you're out. And what next? Oh my god. Let's open this up. I know what is inside here. Oh god. Guys, empty packs of cheese balls, biscuits that he ate in church, and we have one more remaining. Guys, I'm not sweating. So I don't know who else does this, but I'm not one to, even if on the road, I always bring back my parts of whatever I eat outside back home to throw it in my dustbin. I don't like littering wherever I am in at that time or on the road. I don't know if it's only me or there's someone else comfortably sitting on this table. I'm sweating, really hot. Okay, and the biscuit. So that's what's here. So the next thing, let's check. Oh, I have here my anointing oil. I got it today from church. Yeah, you guys already know about this. And my earrings. This one, I left it in this bag, like it's not even today. I went out with it and I was so uncomfortable, so I took it and kept it inside the bag. And yes, please don't break this, thank you. Okay, my pair. This one is always inside this bag, just in case of anything. You know, you need to smell nice. You don't have to, you know, make people so uncomfortable. Please be smelling nice. It's very necessary. And okay, this is my son's bracelet. He was playing with it. He was about destroying it, so I had to take it off and put it in the bag. Lip gloss is a must. Yeah, it's a must. If you're a lady and you go out without having this in your bag, then you're wrong. My lips are even dry. I don't even know if I did that well. Okay, next. Ooh, that's all funny. And I'm feeling something here. Okay, my card. Oh, hope I've not showed the world the number, the secret code. So ATM is supposed to be in my wallet, but one thing or the other, it's 20 there. So this is also a necessity in case of emergency. Yeah. What else? So this is actually inside the tiny part inside the bag. Okay, and I have chewing gum here. Chewing gum, Center Fresh. This is actually one of my favorites. My handbag, you always see chewing gum. You see chewing gum sweet. It's always inside in case of anything. So, let me take one. Actually, it's not sweet though. This chewing gum, you can't eat it. Yummy, 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 yummy. Give me a high five. Give me a high five. High five. Now come. Anyways, guys, so that's what is inside my bag. That's what I have in my bag. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this interesting. Please go nowhere. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and share. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye.